Yeah, niggas fucking crying. I'm not one no jiggy. Sir, Tessa, sir, nag-lag. Green. Kids, sama na nag... Yes! Meron ka ha. Ay, trial! Ayaw, sir!
D.
Si Rosmi. Wala de, Ros... Pili, may point mo ka lang. Ay, I'm on the podium.
First, ikaw wala, ikaw pila ka.
I am the first one. I am first.
Ay, actually, pag alam mo yung mga pakikalis.
Muga ni Christian. Way manghapak ha.
Igal kan sito sa mag-shade. Kaya pwede sila mahuli.
Bala na sila oy pasag di sir.
Aw, i-record mo ni Chan.
Oh. No. Salig ka ng mga nasa loyo, pabantayan dapat.
Hindi ako na ng phone ka. Ako na ng phone ka.
Okay naman, 7 days. No?
Yung natin.
Diba kaya ka? Buwan siya natantang. Hindi na mapili sa kutina eh. Karoon ba?
Hello, si Ezekiel. Pariyat kay Jihaon niya ka lang.
Si Risa, Luis, si Risa.
Ano? Dayusang. Pila. Ikaw mo na sa buwan.
Eji, kaya belo mo ni Risa, Eji. Belo mo ni Risa.
Niggas fucking crying, on a jiggy.
Oh, sir, kayo. Ano?
X, X na lang.
Hindi
naman na trial.
Kailan si Gracia Monse. Magmaro-maro siya.
Kalagad na lang na ako.
Ako gani.
Maro-maro.
Wala ko nag-alat na lang po. Abilib.
Eh, na naman ako mandirido eh. Hindi na ako pwede muhawa.
Pwede ko. Mawagtan mo na.
May pong muna sa singa na ako.
May makahinom daw mo si Sir, no? Tama nga. Hulong.
Lanilo daw niya. Kasi ko na natog pisli.
Ikaw, burikot, simak na sad. Layo asad, ay, padool ko, sir. Di ko kita sa loyo. Agay. Si Carla Ray dalahi.
Ano na receive na ako yan. Ano yung point 18? Ah, nadako ko.
Di man ko matangtang sa podium. Sakit sa akong abaga. Sir, hinay ko makapindot. Sakit sa abaga, sige pa rin.
Focus on each reader's personal reactions to text. Meaning is created by a reader.
Wala.
Go. Anong kwarta ma?
Answer is letter A. Nachikan na?
Sige na, wala ko po. Di mo ko matangtang sa podium. Pero na-option no gig ko ni Ejik ko.
Number 5.
Seconds ago.
Bare essentials.
Unsa man na?
Lapatay, hala.
Hoy, bubo! Char. Maka-citation. Nalahi ko, sir. Nalahi ko, sir.
Ako na pindot, may taas.
Sakto!
Okay, clear.
Okay.
Letter A.
Summarizing.
Letter C. Letter D.
Ay, sakto man ang summarizing.
Summarizing mo din siya.
Yo, ay, bare essentials, good.
Nakapalo na?
Yes, sir. Okay, ayaw lagi ako kabaga kay sumbag utak. Gihapak, isumbag ron.
Okay, next.
Pasumbag ka. Pasumbag ka.
How long is a thesis statement? How long is a thesis statement?
Hala na, unsa ma'am? Wa.
Okay,
Overreacting.
letter D says 1 to 2. Okay, naka-check ka?
Yes, sir.
Next. It is a technique that helps summarize events or steps in a chronological order or in sequence. One.
Sinigan pa kay cry. Pagtanaw na lang mo ako pinduton. Char.
Okay, so what's the answer? Letter A. Nakapalo na?
Ayaw sad. Ay, baka pa.
Okay. Next.
Si Mac ba di magpa-apples?
In 5 seconds na tayo, i-erase na ninyo yung topic. Identify na po. Next. Purpose of academic writing except
Tang-tang ako ang kuan. Hoy, asa namang mga isa? 5 na.
Answer.
Hala, patoy.
Okay. So the answer for this one is letter
C, B. Yes! Sinigan pa kay cry.
Okay. Next. Letter B, to convince readers. You should not sound conversational, casual, colloquial, slang, or journalistic expression should particularly be avoided. Okay, raise your answer.
Si Christian. Christian. Christian.
Okay, next na ta.
Yes, sir.
It's between Mark and Chan.
Wala gising.
It should be based on facts and evidences or not influenced by personal feelings. Okay, raise your answers.
Hello.
It's objective.
Yeah, personal feeling.
It's objective.
Okay na, kay sayap si Mac. May panay din, sayap si Mac. Sayap si Mac, sayap ito. Yeah, everyday out in personal.
Letter C ang answer. C na.
Okay na, kay sayap niya mo si Mac.
This involves avoiding the personal pronouns I and we. I and we. Okay, raise your answers. Raise your answers.
Bago pa gani pagpakita, pinagpilala. Bago pa gani, ala na kung gani.
Sige, what's the answer? Letter
Pagpakita sa ko, ala na.
letter D.
Hindi, wak kita. Nag-alala ko na ano. Burikat.
Okay, next. Number 12. Facts are presented accurately. The choice of word is appropriate. The use of technical term to achieve precision is applied. Precision is applied.
Nag-alala ko.
Raise your answers. Letter B.
Of course, ala ko na, yung ala ko. Aba, pila. Ala lagi mo, ala.
Yes, wrong.
Yes, laging kain.
It's letter B. Next, number 13. Facts are presented accordingly.
Balik show.
This is. Raise your answers. That is
O pagani, sa ito.
letter B. Science.
Dili ka kapas. Di lagi mo kakuan, di mo kaapas kayo. Ala ko na ato.
An academic text should clearly state its thesis, arguments, or proposition. A for true, B for false.
Patay na, sayop na ko.
Okay?
Sir, no false.
Opens.
Hello, sayop ko.
Okay, the answer is
Patay. Pildi si Mac. Pildi ka Mac, no? Pildi si Mac, kaya dapat ko sa podium.
okay, it's true. Letter A ang answer. Okay?
Taga na ko pa, kaya ako natangtang sa podium.
Next, Carla is Pangaijan. Academic text can be used or can use first person point of view and includes one's emotional attachment to the topic. A for true, B for false. Okay, ball pens up. The answer is
False.
this is
Hindi ka sa akin, Carl. Alam mo. Ngano pareha may marong?
okay. Students who master academic language are more likely to be successful in academic and professional setting. A for true, B for false.
Sangalan. Sir, nanginit na ko, sir. Murag naghihilantan ako.
Grabe, competitive.
Hindi man. Sa injections, sir. Nanginit ko, nahiga pa.
Okay, ball pens up.
No. Nanginit, no?
This is.
Nahilantanan mo ko kada injection, sir.
This is. Okay.
Ha? Paunahay bitaw, 900 ko per.
Presentation is all about using examples to clarify, explain, or support a point. A for true, B for false.
Ano definition?
Okay? Ball pens up.
Hindi.
Pens up.
Nahilantanan ko sugod. Hika pa. Kada injection.
Uy, 97.
Okay.
Mega
True or false? Comparing is all about differences. A for true, B for false.
Tay, di uy. Ay, pisyo, ay mo pagsaba. Di tawag saba. Kay gihilantan ako, sir.
Ball pens up. Ball pens up. This is
False. False. Kaya naama sa similarities.
The answer is
False.
false or letter B. Okay, next. Number 19. True or false? Chronological comes from the words chrono and logic. A for true, B for false.
Dagaya nakakuha. Kasi sa logos.
Okay, opens up. Opens up. The answer is
False. Yes. Logos, chrono and logos. Logos for logic. Logos for logic. Tayo. Logos for logic.
okay. The answer is letter B or false.
Chrono is time, log. Sure.
Stop.
Nakastack sila tanan.
The following are signal words bearing. Depth. Bearing.
Hello. Gansi sila.
Ball pens up.
Gansi. B! CDI! Yes! Duhal pa.
Okay, next.
Nigas pa.
Nakpan ako nino. Hala sir, gamay lang sir.
Wala.
It is how information organized in a passage. It is how information organized in a passage.
Hello! Ayun.
Hindi na siya kuwan kana na siya. Naragilan do.
Naro. Oh my God.
Naragilan do gid.
Dapat ka na. Dapat.
Okay, the answer is
Hello!
the answer is structure letter B. That's structure no. Structure. Okay, next.
Sorry, sir.
To express personal thoughts and feelings about a word. To express personal thoughts and feelings about
Sir, gano'n puro mo ni a bit too swift or too done in a plaster?
Okay. Raise your ball pen. Ball pens up.
A pure genius or this word?
Ball pens
A
up.
bit
This
too
is
swift. Reaction paper!
reaction.
Yes! Pilay mo ha? 56. 56.
19.
Okay,
Hello.
the answer is letter B.
Wala kami ni Rino. 100 lang kami.
To evaluate the strengths and weakness of a word. Example, article, book, or artwork. To evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of
Hello, feel na ko kay Kuon. Color yellow. Color yellow lagi na nakas.
ball pens up. Ball
Done in a
pens
flash.
up.
Done in a flash.
Ball pens up. This is
Critic!
next. To summarize and assess the overall quality or contribution of a word. To summarize and assess the overall quality or contribution of a word. Critic, reviewer, review, reaction paper.
Nanong muragi palaw man to, sir?
Ball pens up. Ball pens up. Ball pens up. This is
Yes!
review. Review or letter
C!
letter C.
Ikambak na si Mac. Ala, si Ino sa win streak show.
This paper provides an overview of the project, how funding agencies eliminate proposals that are likely to be disapproved.
Otoy. Ay!
Okay, ball pens up, ball pens up, ball pens up.
Ay, sakto di ay. Sakto. Ikulmaan ko.
Letter C.
Ikulmaan ko kay di. Naamang may. Murag specific ra kay show. Pero mo concept. Kaya na may proposal. Abi na ko. Yeah, pero di ba? Okay, na may proposal means. Basig reason.
It is a technique for recognizing a phrase and clarifying its meaning. Recognizing a phrase and clarifying its meaning.
Your genius or guesswork. Nagpataka na lang ko.
Dani na flash.
Clarification.
Ball pens up, ball pens up. Ball pens up.
Hey! Hello! Hey!
This is definition. Hey, that is letter A. Letter A.
Hello, Carlo. Carlo is trying to get me.
It is a method in which the points are organized from a broad abstract concept to more specific and particular details.
Nagpataka na lang dyan ko siya.
Wala siguro na kaya rin matuuna.
Grabe, Gid. Ano, next mo na.
Hello, murag. Din.
Taro ka gina. Baka nalito.
Okay, ball pens up. Ball pens up. S.
Yo! Wala, si Carla. Apal ako ni Carla, sir. Oh my God. Magbilaro siya. Magbilaro umta na ako, ha?
Carla.
Hello.
Okay, continue.
Hello.
What is this?
So what is this?
An explanation method in which words, verses, quotes, or paragraphs are taken for literary or academic work and then interpreted and described in detail. This is okay, ball pens up, ball pens up.
Clarification.
Definition. B.
Letter B, explanation. Tapos na si Ma'am. 29. It is deliberately copying somebody else's work and claiming that work to be their own.
What na?
Hello. Takan na gina.
Dani na flash.
Asa ganina sir?
Okay, ball pens up, ball pens up, ball pens up.
Play job! Play job! Play job! Yes!
Wala ka ba na? Baka hindi na tayo mahilom.
Last one. It is language needed by students to do the work in schools.
So, what na ay sa'yo na rin?
Okay,
Char.
ball pens,
Di ko ba?
ball pens up, ball pens up.
Kano? Tiebreaker! Tiebreaker! Yes! What na? Picture na side ko.
Okay, count the number of checks.
Asa man, sir? Wala mag...
Okay, go back to your chair.
Magsilpi na sana si Jackie, sir.
Okay.
23 ang nakapatay ko. 23. Sir, di ba 23 ang pass?
Yes! 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 Picture na yun dahil. Sir, picture, sir. Top 3. Uy, nawagtang si Mac. Nawagtang ko nga asan ako na picture na. Sir, pila akong pila ang check, sir? Pila yung morong? Wala, parihara to, doy.
Hindi bitong mag-inana dahil.
Pila tayo karag siya.
23.
Mas nindot ni. Nag-record ko.
Mag-record yan.